Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to talk about the Learn and Earn of Bybit, guys. So, isa to sa mga Bybit quest with Dogs token. So, recently, nalis na nga si Dogs. So, meron silang pag-giveaway with 25 USDT. So, may chance kayo manalo nun. So, 20 lucky winners ang mananalo ng tig to 25 USDT, guys. So, kailangan lang sagutin yung mga quizzes dito. So, nandito yung mga sagot, kaya i-post nyo na lang during kapag sinasagutan nyo na, guys. So, ganyan ito as soon as possible kasi limited time lang ito. Okay? So, huwag kayo mag-skip. Stay to the end of this video para wala kayo may-miss na important details, especially the mga quiz answers. Okay? So, before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So, first, kailangan nyo i-input ang inyong email address, guys. So for me, I recommend same email address na ginamit niya sa inyong Bybit para at least nakasynchronize naman siya, diba, guys? So, and then after that, your Telegram or Discord username, guys. Okay, so wala namang nakalagay sa Bybit na nakasync, diba? So, ilagay nyo lang dyan yung inyong Telegram or Discord username. So, ako naman, ang isa na naman username ko is Majestic, ginagamit so both Telegram and Discord. And then of course, don't forget your Bybit UID. Guys, makikita nyo yan sa inyong mismong profile. Sa may settings ko, yung number doon sa ilalim ng inyong username or your email address, andun siya. So make it sure na nasa upper to the left siya, yung pag-click nyo ng parang profile logo nyo. Minsan yun yung or tatlong sign, it depends, I forgot ko basta nandun siya, basta upper right yung pinipindot ka lagi. Okay, so make it sure na you double check, triple check, or kung same phone lang naman siya, i-copy nyo na lang. Pwede naman siya i-copy paste, diba? So pwede nyo siya copy paste, pero kung hindi naman, i-input nyo na lang kasi dahil sa kabila yung mga answers ko, kaya in-input ko sa other phone. Okay, so ito yung mga answers and the questions na kailangan nating sagutin. Okay, basta kailangan double check, triple check, quadru check, 'di ba? Para at least tama yung UID kasi mamalay nyo na isa nga kayo sa nanalo pero kung mali yung UID, hindi nyo pa rin matatanggap ang 25 USDT. So 20 lucky winners yan, guys. Kaya take note, as soon as possible na mapanood nyo to, gawin nyo na kagad siya kasi we never know kung, 'di ba, matapos na siya kagad. Limited time lang yung mga ganito, guys. Okay, so first question is, what is the primary purpose of the Dogs meme cryptocurrency project? So the answer is to engage the Telegram community, rewarding user based on their account activity and age. Number 2, what inspired? So guys, a sketch, a charity. Number 3, what is one of the Dogs mean? So to promote. Nag-isa lang to promote user. Number 4, how does Dogs incentivize Telegram? Answer is by giving extra rewards for participation. So number 5, how do user primarily earn Dogs? So sagot dyan is through various activities on the Dogs Telegram channel. Number 6, what factors influence the amount of Dogs token? The answer is the user Telegram account age. Okay, number 7, what is a standout feature of Dogs token distributed? It is intricately tied to user. So next is, what is the requirement? Ayan, guys, tama ako. So binalikan ko lang, guys. Okay, standout. Okay. So what is the requirement for new user to be eligible for the sign up on Bybit and complete identity verification? Number 9, what is the maximum? So 50,000 dogs. That's a good shot. And number 10, how many Dogs tokens can affiliate earn for each qualified 25,000 dogs. So, i-double check nyo lagi, guys, yung mga answers nyo before nyo i-submit. So, kapag tama naman, Ayan, sabik niya na siya. So, until next time, gawin na kagad. Goodbye!
Now, do